After Purvanchalis, now Punjabis are the focus this election season. This is a major standoff over VIP security, and Kejriwal has now lashed out at the BJP. In fact, Kejriwal is demanding an apology over Parmesh Verma's remarks. Arvind Kejriwal, of course, is now attacking the BJP over this. Parvesh Verma, in fact, had said that many cars with Punjab numbers are in Delhi. In fact, entire Punjab cabinet is in Delhi, something that he had said. He said that security concerns are also prevailing ahead of the Republic Day. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has come out and said that the BJP, with all of these statements, is basically insulting the Punjabi community in Delhi, and the sacrifices of Punjabis are also being insulted. Kritika continues to be on the broadcast with us. Kritika, now this, of course, from Purvanchalis, now the attack. The focus has been on Punjabis. If I'm not mistaken, around 30 to 40% of Delhi's population is Punjabis, and now the Aam Aadmi Party clearly trying to target the BJP over this ahead of the elections.
Absolutely, Ashish. Definitely in the northwest and west Delhi constituencies, the Punjabi population is a major vote bank, and we are seeing that after the comments made by the New Delhi candidate from the BJP, Mr. Parvesh Verma, an entire controversy has now broken out. In the morning, in fact, his opponent from Congress, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, had also talked about how people from Punjab, or in fact any state, are allowed to ply their vehicles wherever they wish, and this comment was made in bad taste, and Parvesh Verma should in fact apologize for it. And now we are hearing that the Aam Aadmi Party chief, Mr. Kejriwal, is also hitting out at BJP over these statements. So definitely here again we are seeing a back and forth of statements and in fact allegations being made by all these parties right ahead of elections. Crucial vote bank, as you were saying, as well, and definitely the sentiments of the communities as well. Mr. Parvesh Verma had said that number of vehicles with the Punjab number plate are plying in Delhi, and with the Republic Day just days ahead, this is raising a security concern. What are the plans? These were the words that was used by the BJP candidate from the New Delhi constituency, and post which this entire controversy has broken out, with both the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party hitting out against Parvesh Verma. Over to you, Ashish.
Absolutely, Kritika. Like you rightly mentioned, sizable population there of the Punjabi community in Delhi, and of course all three major parties trying to target their votes.